In keeping with the spring cleaning that's going on in my house lately, today I'm going to be tackling my front hall cupboard. It's not too bad, but it does need a quick tidy up. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Thedivaden. Today's video is an invite hosted by Heidi Sonball and Jessica from Casa Magnolia, and they issue this almost every season, and it's a clean closet challenge. So this is this 2019 spring edition, and if you haven't checked out their channels, I'll be sure to link them below or up in the cards above, so you can go check out their channels. They do some wonderful cooking, cleaning, organizing, DIYs. They do a lot of great stuff, and I know you'll love them. There will be a playlist as well for this challenge, so be sure to check it out and see how everybody else organizes their closets. So I am tackling my front hall closet. It's as you come in my front door. It's really not too disorganized, but it does need a good tidy up, and it is a little bit of a project that my husband and I have wanted to do actually since we moved in about 13 years ago. The bottom of the cupboard, the bottom is missing baseboards, so I want to put some baseboards in it. We have some extra lying around downstairs, so I thought, hey, while I'm cleaning it out, why not fix it up? So that's what I'm going to be doing today. So let's get tackling my front hall closet. So here's my closet that is right by my front door, and we like to keep some jackets in here for the season, but it's also a place for our guests to put their jackets. So as you can see, it's not that bad, but on the bottom. So on the bottom, I usually keep some of my shoes, ones that I usually wear to work, and I just keep them down here. So I can grab them easily in the morning depending on what outfit I have, but I've decided I'm going to move those out of here and put them somewhere else. But as you can see, it's not a total disaster, but it could definitely use some tidying up. We just tend to throw things up there, the dog coats, his poopy bags, things like that. I don't know what else is up there. It'll be interesting when I get up there. That's a towel that we use to dry him off in the spring because the snow is starting to melt. But you can see it's not too bad, but it can always use a cleaning out. And there's some coats here that I don't use anymore, so I will be getting rid of them. So now it's time to start cleaning out.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for
So I'm not sure if you can see, but back here there's no baseboard. Paper towel holder though, but back here there's no baseboard. So I am going to clean this out, and I'm going to try and attempt to attach a baseboard here just to clean this closet up. You know, you tend to forget when you put things stuffed in a closet, and there's shoes I don't remember the last time I wore them. There's some shoes I remember when I wore them, they were really uncomfortable. So kind of going along the Marie Kondo method of organizing. If it doesn't bring me joy, spark joy. If I don't feel good when I wear it, I'm going to get rid of them. They've been hanging around too long, so I think it's time to get rid of them, right, Gussie? And same with the coats over here. There's a couple that are my husband's, and he has to go through those as well. All these hangers, I'd like to get some nice hangers for it. And yeah, so I have to go through all this, but I think before I do that, I want to clean out the closet and get the baseboards going, so that is done when I'm ready to put things back in the way I want to organize it.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, ladies, if you've never used a power tool, you've got to get your hands on one. I am telling you, this is so much fun. And here, my husband's just teaching me how to trim up the baseboards. And now it's just time to install them. It's like putting a puzzle together. But I'm pretty proud of myself that I did this. And after trimming them up, I painted them all before I brought them upstairs, and then once they were nailed in, I filled in the holes with some wood putty, sanded them down, and just gave them a quick little touch-up.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Here's the finished product. Like I said at the beginning, it wasn't a big job, but it was one that was definitely needed and one I've been meaning to do. I've cleaned out all my shoes, so now I have a nice space for guests. Got rid of a lot of old coats that were in here and tidied up the little shelf there. I do tend to put some of my outdoor cushions up there in the summer when it's going to rain, so it's nice to have the extra space for that and to hang coats and all kinds of good stuff. So I think it looks really good. So that's my finished closet for this little invite, and I want to thank Heidi and Jessica for hosting this invite. It was a good little push to get me to finally tackle this project, which my husband and I have been wanting to do, especially the baseboards. I just wish we kind of wish we had painted the closet, but for now it's okay. But I have a perfectly clean closet now for when guests come over. I have hangers for them, and everything is in its place. There's lots of room. There's a place for shoes and boots so we can get them off the front mat and nobody will trip over them. So that's fantastic. And then up here we have all Gussie's little sweaters and his little poop bags and all up here. And then I have one little empty bin that can hold whatever I need to do. Probably in the summer I'll use it to hold some cushions that I keep outside and things like that. But it'll be useful, and if I don't use it here, I can always use it somewhere else. But I want to thank Heidi and Jessica once again. Don't forget to check out the playlist of other people's closets. It's going to be a fabulous motivational playlist to see what everybody else is doing. But until next time, guys, I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye! So now that this closet is finished, Jessica and Heidi, thanks so much, because now I have another whole problem. All my shoes that were in here, they're up in my bedroom, and now I've got to go tackle those. What are you going to do? At least it's another project to do.